International average day is observed on which of date? Here the correct answer is 29th of May. So international average day is being observed on 29th of May. Why? Because in this date Tenzing Norgay from Nepal and one more Edmund Hillary from New Zealand had climbed the Mount Everest on this day, that means 29th of May in 1953. And remember one more thing, that Nepal decided to observe this day as an international average day since 2008, when the legendary climber Hillary passed away. And what is the height of Mount Everest? It 8,848. And I'm going to discuss the height of highest peak of 7 continents. Like Mount Everest is highest peak of Asia. For South America, it's Aconcagua. For North America, it's McKinley. Africa, it's Kilimanjaro. For Europe, it's Mount Elbrus. Antarctica, it's Mount Vinson. And one more, Australia, it's Mount Quasicao. So this is the highest peak of 7 continents, and here the correct answer is 29th of May, which is observed as a international average day. Rohtang Pass, which is in the news recently, is located in which? So when you go Manali to Leh, and Leh is now Union Territory, as you know very well. So when you go Manali to Leh, you will get two passes. One is Barlachala Pass, and second one is Rohtang Pass. And if you go in this route, you will find also a railway station which is called Keylong railway station. And remember, Keylong is only railway station in India which is inside a tunnel. That means entire railway station you will find in the tunnel. And in Manali you will find the Hidimba temple. Hidimba temple, you know very well, Hidimba is the wife of Bhim according to the Mahabharata. And Manali in Himachal Pradesh, and Jairam Thakur is the chief minister, and the Bandaru Dattaria is the governor for this SAM. So here the correct answer is Rohtang Pass, usually Barlacha Pass, you will find in Himachal Pradesh. And the capital of Himachal Pradesh is Simla, and one more capital of Himachal Pradesh, it's Dharamsala. So Himachal Pradesh is a two capital, one is Simla as well as second Dharamsala. Which of the following books is not written by late Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru? So an autobiography, Towards Freedom, Glimpse of the World History, as well as the Discovery of India, is written by PM Jawaharlal Nehru, late PM. But Letter of My Father is not written by Jawaharlal Nehru. And Jawaharlal Nehru is known as the architect of the modern India, and he born on 14th of November in Allahabad and died on 27th of May. So 27th of May is observed as the death day of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Chacha ji. And in India we will celebrate the National Children Day in 14th of November, and World Children Day is celebrated on 20th of November. So National Children Day is celebrated on 14th of November, and World Children Day is celebrated on 20th of November. Name the Indian Army officer who has won the United Nations Military Gender Advocate of the Year award. So name of that person is Suman Gawani. So Suman Gawani has won this award. And recently T.S. Trimurti has become the permanent representatives to India to United Nations. And United Nations and UNICEF both headquarters you will find in New York. And one more, United Nations Development Program, that is UNDP, that means United Nations, UNICEF as well as UNDP, that means United Nations Development Programs headquarters, all you will find in New York. And Antonio Guterres is the Secretary General for the United Nations, and he is from Portugal capital is Lisbon. And recently United Nations has praised the Khudol initiative of which state? Manipur. So he praised an initiative called Khudol initiative, and it's an initiative of Manipur state. And here the correct answer is Suman Gawani, who has won the United Nations Military Gender Advocate of the Year award. Union Minister for the Road and Transport, which comes under the Nitin Gadkari, has inaugurated how much meter long tunnel as a part of Chardham connectivity project in Chamba? First of all, you have to know that Chamba you will find in Himachal Pradesh, and here the correct answer is 440 meters. So correct answer is 440 meters, and this tunnel is made by BRO, that means the Border Road Organization. And so correct answer is 440 meters. And there is a one more bridge which is recently inaugurated, it's called Dapo Rijo Bridge. Dapo Rijo Bridge you will find in Arunachal Pradesh, and it is made on Subansiri Bridge, Subansiri River. So it is made on Subansiri bridge, and one more Sesari Bridge is also you will find in Andhra Pradesh. So which is made by the Border Road of Organization. May decide to consider lakh cultivation as a agriculture activity in the state. So here the correct answer is Chhattisgarh. So Chhattisgarh state government decided to consider lakh cultivation as one of the agriculture activity in our state. And lakh it's an insect like thousands and millions of insects they are put in trees, and then they secrete lakhs which is used by the farmers. So it will be useful for the farmers. And And in Chhattisgarh, you will find the Guru Ghadas National Park, Kangarvali National Park, Indravati National Park, and the capital Raipur. And Bhupesh Bagal is the chief minister for this time, and Anusuya Uke is the governor for this time. And Chhattisgarh governments had the correct answer. Which payment bank has a partner with a MasterCard to develop the customized products for the farmers SMEs? Airtel Payment Bank, Indian Post Payment Banks, Jio Payment Bank. Here the correct answer is Airtel Payment Banks. And remember, Airtel Payment Banks, which was the first payment bank of India. And talking about the Indian Post Payment Bank, so recently Indian Post Payment Banks has recently achieved 2 crores customers. That means he achieved this goal. And Airtel Payment Banks, Anubharat Biswas is the MD, Managing Director and CEO for the same. That means the who is the CEO and MD for the Airtel Payment Bank? It's Anubharat Biswas. And had the correct answer is Airtel Payment Bank. Which state has launched a new program called Restart to support the MSME in the states? Had the correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh state government has launched a new programs called Restart to support the MSME sector in the states. And who is the chief minister for this time? It's YSR Jagan Mohan Reddy. And he has launched the YSR Nirmana schemes for what? To provide the free cement for the government projects. And Andhra Pradesh 3 capitals: Amravati, it's a legislative capital; executive, it's a Visakhapatnam; and one more capital, judiciary capital, it's a Kurnool. So Andhra Pradesh 3 capitals: the Visakhapatnam as well as Kurnool. And had the correct answer Andhra Pradesh government, who has launched these programs, and name of this program is called Restart.